Hi friends, this video shows how to format this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage using Google TV streamer. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see the white cable. This is power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable that is connected to this Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage. This is a setup. Let me go to TV. Select all settings from top right corner. Go down, select system. Go down, set storage. Go down. Here you can see no name, total space 1 TB. That is the Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage. Select it. Here you can see erase and format as device storage. Select this format option. Select format. So this way we can format this SSD storage as device storage. Please wait. Okay, done. After that, if you want to move some photos, files, apps and games to this SSD storage, you can use this move now option. So if you don't want to move, you can use move later. Let me go back. See, after this you can see that SSD storage has been moved under device storage. Earlier it was under removable storage. Now this SSD storage, 1 TB SSD storage, is part of this internal storage of this Google TV streamer. This way we can increase internal storage of Google TV streamer. We can install apps, games, photos. Okay, so if you want to eject, you can eject here. If you want to convert, again format this SSD storage to removable storage instead of internal storage, you can use this option again, erase and format as removable storage. So when you format as removable storage, it will come under removable storage section. So right now it's under device storage. So this way we can format. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.